Before watching this video, I want you guys to know that I have had this video ready to upload for a while now. I just have prioritized other videos before it, and now it's a little late because Steel Titans has been out for a long time, and I have had a chance to play it many times now, and I must say that it's a great game. For the first game from Rainbow Studios for Monster Jam and THQ, this has been a phenomenal game. Definitely a great game that's not a simulator. Obviously, it's a free roam, also racing and freestyle based game, and it does a great job portraying real Monster Jam events, and there's plenty of different ways to customize and race around the Monster Jam tracks. So thank you again to THQ, FELD, Spin Master, and Rainbow Studios for making this possible. Please enjoy this video, although it's a little late. I still think you guys would enjoy it. Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today, we're going to take a look at the Collector's Edition box for Monster Jam Steel Titans by THQ and Monster Jam. Welcome back everyone. Today is a very special video because I have finally received my copy of the Steel Titans Collector's Edition for PS4 by, of course, THQ, Rainbow Studios, and Monster Jam. Now, I want to thank Monster Jam, THQ, and Spin Master for helping make this possible. Without them, I would not have been able to get a copy of this. Also, the reason for me getting a copy of this game is not only to enjoy the experience and see how it actually is, because I have seen plenty of reviews on both sides of the spectrum, and I want to formulate my own response and opinions about the game, but also because in order to review the gold Gravedigger, I had to have a copy of the game, which I have had the gold exclusive 124 scale Gravedigger since April. I received a sample of it. The original plan was just to review it when Monster Jam Steel Titans came out. Then there was some change of plans, which included me having to review the Gravedigger with the game, which is pretty cool because I like to try out the game for myself. Like I said, I have a PS4, and I'm more than willing to review everything together. So this is my extra gold Gravedigger that's already out of the box, which I will review towards the middle of this video. But right now, it's all about this box here. So this is the Collector's Edition copy of the game. It comes in a giant box. You can see here on the top it says Collector's Edition in a yellow gold with the white text. And then, of course, you have the Steel Titans screenshot of the game right here. You can see, of course, Monster Jam Steel Titans. I can't see it up there, but it says PS4 up there. And, of course, THQ Rainbow Studios, rated E for everyone. And, of course, like I said, the screenshot of the game. It contains these things here, a steel book, Truck Facts postcard book, and, of course, the copy of the game. And I believe the other side has more stuff. Yes, it does. Of course, it contains some instant unlock trucks, which include Gravedigger, El Toro Loco, and Monster Man Rottweiler, and of course your 124 scale exclusive diecast gold Gravedigger by Spin Master. So let's open it up and see what's inside this Collector's Edition box. Well, that's pretty cool. That's just the sleeve around the box itself, and I'm not sure where to open it actually. I don't want to hurt it. Let's see. Eventually something will give way. I think it's probably this way actually. That makes sense. Okay, so you can't see it, but I just opened the top here like this. So let me open that up. It's kind of hard in my little studio here to do this, but we'll figure it out. As you can see in here, the copy of the game is on top. Same stuff as the box had with the game itself. And then I'll just unbox it because you guys saw what it looks like inside the box. You can just get this cool pattern here. But here's the rest of it. So the first thing up that I'm pulling out here is, I believe this is the facts book. Let me check what the packaging says. That is the, yes, the Truck Facts postcard book. So that's this here. And this is the, again, Trucks Facts. So if you look in here, that's pretty cool. You have some pictures of the trucks. Blue Thunder, there's Alien Invasion, the some of the facts right there, the factoids right there in the side of the book itself. So I guess each truck has its own individual little thing about the truck itself and some other facts about Monster Jam in general. You also have the little illustrations of the truck's mascots in some cases. So that's pretty cool. Let me back this up a little bit more. So you can see El Toro Loco, Earthshaker. I'm just going to kind of go through this a little faster. So they do have a lot. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Megalodon, Monster Mutt, Northern Nightmare. Yeah, that's really cool. It's a really cool little booklet. There's Gravedigger Legend. I really missed that one. Pretty cool to see that again. It is in this game, so that's awesome. And, oh, that's one of my favorites right there. Blackout Max D. Check that out. I want to see what the stats say for that, actually. The unique black paint scheme was created to celebrate 15 years of Max D at the 2018 Monster Jam World Finals Encore, making the Encore the one and only performance of this Monster Jam truck. Now, I really wish they bring back this black Max D. Such an awesome design, and definitely one that I'm sad to see not back again. So anyway, that's the booklet here. Kind of just looking through quickly. Lots of different things, plenty of things. Oh, that's really cool. So the original illustration of Megalodon right there. Monster Jam original sketch. Same with Zombie. I remember seeing that when it first was announced. And there it is. So greetings from Monster Jam University. Cool little postcard there. And looks like just a bunch of little canyons from the actual game. So that's the postcard booklet. And next up is, of course, the Steelbook. Now, I'm not sure what's in here, actually. I guess, oh, okay, it's just to put your video game in there. That's pretty cool. I had no idea what it was before. So I will transfer my game over in just a moment. I'll do that at the end of the video. So you can see there, that's a Steelbook. And then I believe the last thing, of course, is your exclusive 1/24 scale Spin Master Monster Jam Gravedigger right there. So I am noticing a difference in mine to this one, and that might just be a production change. You can see here how dark the headers are on this gold Gravedigger. Mine actually have a really bright, almost silver header piece here. I'm not sure if that's a variation. I'll have to ask the design team. It might just be a rough sample that I received, but you can see here, there's a dark header piece in there, or the motor piece itself is a full piece, but it looks different. So I will open this one up. Now, I was not planning on opening this one because I thought this one would be the same, but I will open this on camera. So here we go. We finally have it ready to release. So here is the Gravedigger 1/24 scale. For this package, of course, exclusive and only released with this copy of the game. This is, of course, what you receive in return instead of receiving an in-game gold truck like many people receive from different retailers. You will receive a 1/24 scale physical Gravedigger. There's only one type of truck, by the way. There is Megalodon, El Toro and Dragon in the game in gold form. The only real scale, 1/24 scale, is Gravedigger. I had that question asked to me a lot, so just answering it now. You can see here there's a bunch of different stuff about the gold Gravedigger, of course, in the game. It looks a tad bit different. This one's a little more towards the bronze. This one's towards a pure yellow gold for sure. Just a little bit of difference. I guess they did it for the actual truck. Different. So here's the insert card as well. It's pretty cool. It has an exclusive look to it. Of course, Monster Jam Steel Titans. Usually it's just the Monster Jam logo. And of course, this special edition here with the THQ logo and Gravedigger and Spin Master. So there's the insert piece here where it stands on. And here is the gold Gravedigger that I received from the actual package. The only difference from my original one that I received from Spin Master is the header difference. So you can see here how bright the headers are here and how dark pure gold those are there. Besides that, I don't think there's much of a difference. Maybe the roll cage is just a tad bit darker, but I don't think there's much there. So I'm not sure what this one was supposed to be, maybe just an early sample, but this one's super cool. I love the updated headers, and preferably I actually like this one much better. So you can see there's the 1/24 scale Gravedigger, and you can see all the graphics have been changed to black and gold. Of course, the Gravedigger logo in gold and white. So you have the gold flames, black Grim Reaper, and of course Bad to the Bone. So basically there's only white, red, gold, and black on this truck. And you can see here the hood as well with the red headlights. And this side with the same stuff, Spin Master logo up there. And very, very clear graphics because I believe this is all Tampo. All of the black is Tampo because it's one color, like I've explained in my previous videos. And like I said, all this sponsor stuff, gold roll cage, gold rims, BKT tires, and of course the awesome suspension that these trucks offer. So that's the 1/24 scale exclusive gold Gravedigger, finally able to review that one. And the last thing in this box here is, of course, the in-game trucks, which have a code on the back, which I will not show, obviously, because I need those codes. But you can see here, all three of these trucks are able to be unlocked at once with the Collector's Edition game copy. The last thing I want to do here is go ahead and put my game in the Collector's Edition Steelbook, and then we will sign out of this video. Here it is. We'll open it up here officially. You can see here the copy of the game, and of course my Steelbook, which is actually metal. It's pretty cool. Open that up, and we'll toss this brand new PS4 copy of Steel Titans in there. So that's what the Steelbook's for. Very cool. Keep it protected and looking really flashy with this Steelbook. And that will complete this video. So thank you again to Monster Jam, THQ Rainbow Studios, and Spin Master for all they've done to help me get this copy of the game. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this 124 scale Gravedigger in the comments below. If you own Steel Titans, tell me what you guys think about it in the comments below as well. So thank you again to all who helped me do this, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.